So, welcome back. Let's discuss another setting that we can do that we can control in SolutionTree. So, let's look at the tree that we had earlier created. So again, I'm just going to show you some functionality. We're not going to get much into decision tree analysis, but I want to show you the next tab in the settings dialog. We've already covered the tree settings. We're going to go here to node settings. And one of the things I like to do is to show my index numbers. So as you can see right now, the nodes aren't numbered. So we're going to go ahead and check that. And I'll come back to this feature. Well, let's go ahead and discuss that. That's pretty basic. Right now, notice that we're not showing the value of the end nodes. So that's just kind of to keep it more clean. But if you do want to see those end node values, we can hit that check mark right there, and then we'll see that those will show up. So we're going to see now that index numbers will be labeled above every node, and also the end values will show up. And finally, if you want to change what the default node description is, right now it's just new, but I could say something like option, change it right there, and that way whenever I do a new tree branch, it'll always use the word option. We'll test that here out in a minute. So notice now the end values are showing up and the nodes are now being numbered. I like having them numbered. That gives you the chance to easily, say look at node 9, look at node 10, instead of having to try to, drill down to it through the branches. You can still collapse and expand and copy and paste and all of that. So that stuff still works just fine. And let's go ahead and add a couple of new nodes here, and we should see that it uses the word option for each node. So we're going to click add right here, and there we go. So since they're all ties, we already have that setting turned on. So if we do have any ties, we're going to get that yellow highlighter there. So let's just fix that real quick. We'll put a 500 there, and we'll fix that tie. So again, you don't usually have a decision tree ending with a decision node. Let's go ahead and change that. And then of course we'd put in the correct probabilities here. So again, that's the next setting that I wanted to discuss, the node tab, and we've discussed all three of those settings that you have control of there. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.